I designed Modest Middles to help me feel comfortable nursing in public. You nurse to give your baby the best. Let Modest Middles help you look great doing it.
Okay, I'm here with Tammy Rucker. She is a licensed massage therapist and a doula, and she also specializes in perinatal massage. So she's going to talk to you today about the benefits of getting your massage when you're pregnant and how it's so helpful for a good outcome, a nice smooth labor and delivery. So take it away, Tammy.
Thanks, Karen. Perinatal massage, you're talking about prenatal, labor, and postpartum. And massage can really affect you in a number of ways. It can affect you structurally, physiologically, and emotionally. And massage can help in all those areas. And what I mean is structurally, you're thinking of your musculoskeletal pain. And when you're pregnant, you have relaxin hormones that make you all loose so to allow the baby to come out. And so that also affects your joints. And along with the weight that you gain, bears down on all your joints. And that can cause some pain in low back. Women typically have sciatic pain or hip pain, and massage can really help with those structural things. And then physiologically, massage can help reduce high blood pressure, edema, and things like that. Helps with hormonal balance sometimes. And then emotionally, women go through so many changes with not only their body, but then also with their husbands, their friends, worrying about work. And this allows them to have a non-judgmental listener where they can kind of vent about different things, and somebody who is educated in childbirth who might have some good answers to let them know what's normal.